Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're excited to introduce you to a new member of our microdoser family. This here is our Ultrasonic Micro-Doser Cabinet. Now it has some of the similar components of our other microdoser systems, but we've created some new system components and features that we'd like to go through with you today. So, the system is going to utilize our E1 MF pump. It's going to give us a direct injection ability of 0.1 to 2.5 mils per gallon. We had attached PVDF injection hoses to it, which allows us to deal with extremely acidic or caustic chemicals or nutrients. We went ahead and hooked it up to a 4 to 20 milliamp ultrasonic water sensor, which has a digital display readout and creates a real-time analog signal to the pump so that we're always injecting proportionally. We have an anti-siphon and backflow valve and an inline static mixer to create a perfectly homogeneous blend in the system. Now what we went ahead and did is we took all of this and we put it inside of an enclosure with a window so you can always check on the flow and functionality of your system. Being able to close this off is going to help the end user stay away and protect them from any sort of hazardous chemicals or nutrients. We also went ahead and pre-drilled and mounted everything for the customer and have inlet and outlet water hookups, which makes it a perfect turnkey solution. We have a 3/4 inch low flow system, which is going to be great for up to 20 gallons per minute and can be utilized in fogging, misting, seedling or cutting pH correction, or smaller centers. And we have here, which is featured, our 1.5 inch system, which is great for up to 60 gallons per minute and can handle whole garden centers, greenhouses, or large central systems. For any questions, feel free to give us a call or message us today. And as always, thanks for watching.